Hello and what's up everybody. Today we're going to have two amazing scalping trades on a sushi and USDT with using Fibonacci levels. As you can see here on the chart, the price still didn't cross the level of 0.78 on Fibonacci level. That means globally we are still on the uptrend movements. And here as well, after a massive drop of the price, I'm expecting a small pullback from the strong green area of the buying zone, of the buyer's zone, let's say. And we can see as well there is a short and local uptrend movements. And I entered the price when the price, I entered the position when the price came to its support level of this uptrend movements. So this is a perfect time to enter long. And as you see, the price goes in right direction, but I'm not planning to close it by portions because I couldn't enter the all amount of my lot. I thought if the price will go a bit down, I can enter with all my amount. But it's cool, I'm going to track it with increasing my stop loss. And also guys, if you want to register on Binance and get 20% discount on your commissions on future trading, you can find link in the description. I'm seeing that most of you are watching my videos without following me, so subscribe to this channel, put your royal like to this video so I can understand that you guys like what I'm doing. These days Bitcoin shaky and is not stable. There is no perfect trend moves, so I want you guys warn, always put your stop losses if you are not tracking your position, or even if you are tracking your position, always put them as well, because these days we're seeing a lot of price squeezes. And with the risk reward ratio we are good as well. As you remember at the beginning when we opened the trade, the price went down for 5% and now we're up more than 15%. So let's just track it with increasing the stop losses. And we're up now for 25%, and I think it's not a bad time to close, so I'll just increase my stop loss here. Yes, and here we go, the price closed us with around 24%. And here is my second trade, exactly the same situation from almost exactly the same place, opening long position. But here we have to be careful because we have a chance to have a head and shoulders here. So I'm planning to take around the same percentage, around 25-30% from this trade. So we're going to be cool, and we're not going to enter this trap of getting to the head and shoulders. And as we can see here, Bitcoin chart is not very good, but it's not very bad as well. We have a falling wedge here, but we came to the support level of the falling wedge, and we touched it before 2 times only. So we have a high chance that we might have a pullback here as well. So my long position also, I entered with the Fibonacci levels, so actually where the Fibonacci levels were in the buying zone, so it's not very bad position. And also on the chart, as you can see, I marked it with the yellow rectangle. This is exactly the place where we had our previous position, and we closed it a bit earlier because after it there was a move of around 2%, which is around like 100%, 120% with our leverage that we're using for our deposit, for our trading session, I mean, right? So but it's cool, we are here for a scalping. So here I seeing that we came to the trap of the head and shoulders, and I'm looking where I can leave my position. Still I'm not closing it with the portions because it still is not the whole amount, but so I put my stop loss. So let's just track it. And the price goes pretty good, so I'll put my stop loss for around 30% of the profit. And here we go, the price takes my stop loss, and this was only 2 trades for today, but we made around 55% for only 2 trades. So if you guys want to see a video about Fibonacci, as I said, collect the 10 likes for this video. And this was it for today. I'll see you later and wish you all the wealth. Yes guys, one more thing. I was rendering the video and then I decided to check a graph voice happening there, and this is what we can see here. Right here we start having a head and shoulders as I predicted earlier. I said like we might enter the head and shoulders trap, and then we're having boom, head and shoulders. After it we have a small correction, and then we have this massive move for around 12%, which is amazing. As I said, these Fibonacci levels are very good indicators to work on them. So wish you all the wealth.